she's another. Oh God, this shit is like hell. You know what? That's all off my 20 either. 1998, my birthday had a hacker. The legend. At least 60% change. Back when I was when he had it. Couple bishops in the city building mansion. The reverend. Preaching stuff fade and that's it. When we could only eat a chimney on it. After the minute, I had to change the campus. Yo, man, I ain't used to wild with it. Staying with you when I didn't have it. Fucking on you when I didn't know it. Working on the way to make it out of Texas. Every night. Baby, come my life. Can't believe 60% change. Back when I was when he had it. Couple bishops in the city building mansion. The reverend. Preaching stuff fade and that's it. When we could only eat a chimney on it. After the minute, I had to change the campus. Yo, man, I ain't used to wild with it. Staying with you when I didn't have a address. Fucking on you when I didn't know it. Working on the way to make it out of Texas. Every night. Baby, come my life. At least 60% change. Back when I was when he had it. Couple bishops in the city building mansion. The reverend. Preaching stuff fade and that's it. When we could only eat a chimney on it. After the minute, I had to change the campus. Yo, man, I ain't used to wild with it. Staying with you when I didn't have it. Fucking on you when I didn't know it. Working on the way to make it out of Texas. Every night. Baby, come my life.
Holy, 3 streams in like 24 hours. What's even going on right now? I don't even know if you guys deserve that many streams. I think you probably don't, actually. I think maybe I should just not stream today, because you guys... I don't know. Listen, chat. 10 mil right now. 10 mil right this instant. Chat, who's here though? Come say hi. Let's start the stream up. Stop acting like you ain't gassed to see us. Alright, chat, listen. In 3, 2, what's poppin', chat? Listen, Malinko was good. Joshua, Gaz, Jay, Danny's here. Victory settings. Holy. Chat, final day of the week. Big day. Low key, though. We caught the mega dub yesterday in Asian, so... Yeah, Mr. Janus is here. Stop's going to be instant today on gold. We have PPI news as well today. In about an hour. Kind of interesting. I haven't eaten today, chat. So, I don't know what that means, but I thought I'd just tell you. Did the Asia sweep model play out? Yeah, kind of. Oh my days, chat. Look at this too. Right, wait. Let's look it in here, chat. Let's do a little bit of analysis. New Fed was named? Is it? Who was it? New Fed chat. Kevin Walsh. Yeah, good shout, Malinka. Kevin Walsh. What's this guy like? Is he sketchy? Probably. Allegedly. Is that what happened? Is that why the market dumped? 5% fall. Okay. Silver fell 13%. What? Alright, chat. Well, fuck it. Look. We got a lot of potential here today. I'm not gonna lie. The dollar's getting strengthened by the new Fed chair because they think what he's gonna change rates. Interesting. Daily time frame, chat. This has to be the biggest daily candle we've ever seen, right? Or one of them. Like a 10% negative daily candle is unbelievable. Gold's literally down like 11% from the high. That's actually kind of crazy if you think about it. That is actually pretty crazy. 4 hour though. Right, wait, actually, let me take this off. So the 4 hour is, to me, it looks like we're rejecting, right? Like this looks like liquidity. You close super, but like weak bearish. But again, you did that the other day, right? And it still came down. So I don't know. 2 hour though. We've literally got a 2 hour sky dweller, chat. Bullish 2 hour close after this liquidity grab is mental. I don't know if I'm marrying my bias here or not, chat, but to me, this still seems relatively bullish. I think you've got room up towards 5218.8. After that, even further up towards like 34.6. We're not gonna marry the bias, chat, because right now we are actually technically bearish in terms of like market structure on the 1 hour. 4 hours still bullish, I would argue, but oh wait, chat, let's test the Let's test the indicator out. Yeah, similar lines. You got one here. You got one here, which is exactly where we have it, and you've got one here. All right, yeah, fair. So we got it. Generational liquidity sweep, liquidity. We love liquidity. Seems like it could be a fake out. I've been in an hourly sky dollar for so long since we swept Asian. I think it's nice, but yeah, we'll see, chat. Let's just wait for COMEX open, maybe. Wait for at least the hourly close, see what happens. It's pretty crazy to me that gold could fall 12%, like 12%, or sorry, 9% in one day. Wait, is there like gold market cap? GC MCAP? No. Fire. Oh wait, can't you change it somewhere up here? I swear you can change to market cap. Somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, chat, it doesn't matter. What is that? Up top, bro, top right. I thought it was here somewhere. Yeah, I don't have the option. Maybe it's gold? I definitely have had the option before. Anyway, it doesn't really matter, chat. The point is, we dropped a lot. Ask what the market cap of gold is if priced at X per ounce. True, I could do. Which time frame you mark your charts? The hourly right now. The hourly. Chat, let's look at NQ as well. Oh my days, chat. Look at the watch list right now. It's just red. Every fucking thing is red, mate. Previous daily closed weak bearish on NQ, respecting the most recent support. The current daily's got no top wick. 4 hour has no bottom wick. 2 hour the same thing. 1 hour. A little bit rangy. Chat, let's test the indicator. Let me change the settings there so we can actually see the lines. We need white. Oh, it has got them white. Okay, wait, but we also want white, this, white. So it's telling me here, which I think yes is valid. Here as well is definitely valid. Then up here, I would say the next one would be here. Alright. How's your Bitcoin doing? I think you know the answer to that, Mr. Victory Settings. Not very well would be the answer. You've also got another level like somewhere in here, chat. Yeah, right there. Alright, chat, cool. If I don't get trader of the day or even the month, I'm drop kicking everyone's nan. Was that trade on a funded or what? Or personal? If that's personal, that's ridiculous. If we get a 1 hour fake out on gold, it's up to 400 plus. How can we trade this market? You have to trade with one fucking micro. Because it sells? I'm actually not, no. But I mean, maybe. Anyone into the swing on gold buys yesterday must be fuming. Mega fucking fuming. Yeah, no, you wouldn't be pissed off though, wouldn't you? 2 times 100k evals? Double use. Double use in the chat. I got cooked this morning on some gold longs. Are we actually taking the piss? Look at this. I had this position right here. Nice little flip. Lovely. What a beautiful position. Oh, sweep the lows by a tick and then run towards where my TP was. That's fucking sick. That's just really nice, chat. That's just what you want, no? Like, I didn't want anything to do with these fucking... these buys. We going lower on gold? I think we might do, yeah. It's the biggest top wick on the weekly ever. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, chat. It's kind of crazy. All the JP Morgan boys took their profits at 5k on gold. My poly market bet's going crazy. What's your poly market bet? Why? I don't understand betting on poly market on the price of gold. Surely? Oh! Surely just trade it. Then buys from 5,700, smart. The gold settles between 49.75 to 510. What, on the weekly? Like on the weekly close, or today's close? It's very possible. Very, very, very possible. Chat, who was here for the Asian stream last night? You weren't. You missed out on the biggest trade I've ever taken in my life. Not by dollar value, but by tick value. Baby. Good stream. Yeah, that was literally so fun. So friggin' fun, man. Chat. By the way, next time there's an outage on trading, Trade of 8 or Top Step X, Project X, whatever, someone tell me in the Discord because fucking I'm gonna full port an account. Like, it's just free money. Every time there's an outage, I think I'm gonna full port. The Asia stream brought in a lot of American viewers. America. Yeah, low-key, we had like 75 people on my first Asian stream, which is not bad. Bear in mind, like, it wasn't really announced either. Might become a thing, you know? You know what I might do, though? I might stream the week open this week. Could be very smart. Very, very smart. What we need, chat, though, is we need Trump to go ahead and fucking drop a war announcement over the weekend. They just love it. 500 pip, 5-minute bottom wick is crazy. It's almost impossible to trade this. By almost impossible, I mean almost impossible. Very, very difficult to trade this one, chat. Insane. Yeah, it's fucked. Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. By the way, if you guys blew your accounts over the weekend, Tradify's 30% off sale ends tomorrow. So you can get 30% on Tradify, but it does end tomorrow. So go and grab yourself some accounts whilst it lasts. Especially if you blew some accounts over this week, because God knows people did. I did hit a stinker on my top step though today. That trade that stopped me out on the PA, I had a little bit bigger stops on the eval. Hit for like a bandolini on the combine, which was pretty nice, Chad. Pretty nice. Any good journals going about? Wouldn't you like to know? Just in case you're actually asking, chat, Sure Insight is still operational and functional. Holy goated. day one of running the most successful trading journal company on the planet. Oh, holy chat. W Insight? Yeah, I was thinking about changing the name to just insight.app or just insight.io or some shit like that. I think it could be better. Or like Edge. I don't know. I do think it needs a new name though. I do think it needs a new name. Doesn't really roll off the tongue. Alright, cool. Copper not looking bad. Fucking hell. It actually doesn't look bad. But the one, it's too late into the 1 hour for that to flip. That 1 hour flipped, yeah, you could have taken that, I guess. $6 an ounce now, chat. I remember when we checked last week, it was $5 an ounce. Surely we need a demo today. On the journal, I can give you a demo for sure. Good old Coco. I don't know, you got to ask Tom for that. I'm pretty sure Tom's in Coco Longs. I'll roll something off my tongue. You fucking won't. Remember they never work? Yeah, that is true. I do remember. But my journal always works. I saw the time frame in the journal now, big win. Yeah, we got loads of new features. Time frame. Broker sync is coming very, very shortly. Going to be very, very cool. Very cool. That's going to be sick. So you won't have to do shit. All you have to do is literally just load up the journal and it will have already updated with your trades. GC's moving today, what's going on? New Fed chair. New Fed chair. By the way, I forgot to mention, I promoted it but didn't say the code. Chat code TRLS at Traderify if you do want to get the accounts. I know you guys know, but I have to say it. Could you give me your best South African accent? Hey, bro. As it, bro. That's such a good accent. You lot always say it's shit. It's fucking insane. Can't wait for when GC moves 50 points a minute. Yeah, I literally can't wait. The mightiest of all is back. Ah, the mightiest of meats. Chat, what if we just full port? So many people passed their account yesterday on the trade we took in the Asian session. By the way, if you guys didn't know there was an Asian session stream last night and you didn't turn up to it, it's probably because you didn't fucking read the free Discord. And if you didn't read the free Discord, it's probably because you're not in the free Discord. And if you're not in the free Discord, click the link in chat. Simple. Cryptomaniac's currently up $45,000 on a gold position here. Not bad. Targeting the $500,000 mark. $500,000, man. What did I miss? Although I don't think I really want to trade today. God's insane. Yeah, I mean we'll see what happens, chat. You got 4 minutes to the hourly close. It's BTC. Did I say something else? Did I say gold? I thought it said BTC. Yeah, you're right. It is BTC. Maybe I said gold. Kevin Walsh, new Fed chairman. I don't really understand why it's such a big news event. In my opinion, the Fed chair is probably a bit of a puppet. To be honest. Like, do they have really that much autonomy? I doubt it. Seriously doubt it. Like, fucking Larry Fink from BlackRock probably just going, come on, mate. Just keep the rates the same for a little bit or up the rates or whatever. Like, it's not, I don't know. I don't think it's that much of a difference. But then again, chat, people get gassed when there's a new prime minister and shit, which is, again, even worse. So, I don't know. Everything's a bit of a smoke and mirror show at the minute, I feel like. Smoke and mirrors. Anyway, chat, how's everyone's week been? You guys in profit? Drawdown? Loss? Win? Lose? Break even? Sideways? Upside down? What are we saying? You know it's fucked when you can make a bag with 2 micros on gold in like 10 mins? Bro, we made $400 yesterday with one... No, sorry, $300 with 1 mini. 1 micro, yeah. It's insane. Like, 300 tick TP, bro. We used to celebrate 100 ticks. Worst month for me, but we moved. Guys, it's definitely been a difficult month. $10 M's underscore. Yeah, chat, but the good thing is, right? The most important thing is, if you survive this month, you've still got money to trade with, you've still got accounts, or you've still got hope, then you're good. You're good. Excellent week in the markets. What's good, Brad? Just chilling tonight and staying green. Smart. Low key, chat. That fucking PA trade I had this morning was a little bit frustrating. Because that would have been like a 1k TP, I think. Because my entry was like on the wick here to here. Nah, it would have been like 600-700. But still, doesn't matter. I don't know whether to get out or not. Hang on. What? No, what are you in? The hourly Skydo alert. How are you still in? Where are your stops? The only thing that made me stay in the markets was risk management. Yeah, that's the thing, chat. You can have the shittest month ever, but if you managed risk on all your trades, you shouldn't have blown your account. You know how crazy that is, chat? Technically, you should never blow the account. Actually, that's not true. But, like, for example, if you take 10 losses in a row with fucking 0.5% risk, you'd still have your account. And no one takes fucking 10 losses in a row. That's crazy. Oh. Oh my days, chat. Hourly closing. Lock it in here. Kind of got like a level here as well. Trying to think whether we can take the sells or not. Silver looks good. 2 hour, was that a 2 hour close? Oh my days, it was. Chat, if we tap the top of this level here, we could attempt some sells. Oh my days, bro. We can't even take, like, now it's flipping. We could take the... No. How many, what is that? Yeah, chat, I'm gonna, wait. I'm gonna wait. Give me a sec. Chat, I'm gonna jump in some sells right now. Literally, okay, I don't have a stop loss, great. Super aggro sells. Stop loss is gonna be above the current high. What is it, buy stop? Yeah. If we come higher up, then we come higher up, right? My TP is going to be down here. All right, chat. Basically, the hourly closed below, 2 hour closed below. We're trying to look for a range fill here towards the bottom of this range. Very simple play. TP's here. You saw some profit there, chat. It rebroke the lows, but it's re-breaking the highs. Might get stopped out here. I don't really know why it would do that. Unless it needs more liquidity. Either way, the risk is pretty small on this trade. Don't like that level on the left. Yeah, understandable. Oh my days. What do we see there? We saw like 200. We might get stopped. This is on an eval, by the way. Yeah, stopped. Okay, cool, chat. That's like $400 there. I think this comes down. Still. I think we do need to see a retest into this. Low key though, the reason I took that trade so aggressively was look at the 1 minute. It came up, made a top wick, closed bearish. Top one came up, then flipped. I was like, oh, nah, cool. We saying very good? What's good, Max? How's it going, man? I'm decent. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Yikes. Yikes. I entered 110 lot sell. Holy shit. Just a light 1,000 pip stop loss on the hourly. No, this is the problem. Chat, does this come and stop us out by the tick and then run? I feel like it might do. Actually, I don't blame the market, but there have been some A+ setups that won't play out. Nah, it's weird price action right now. Like, I think it's fair to blame the market currently. For example, like the trade I took this morning was A+, and it just came and decided randomly to like re-grab it. It grabbed so much liquidity and then it re-grabbed. Sell still valid? Yeah, problem is, right, I can't really justify taking the wick entry now. I mean, I do think it's valid, yes. Problem is, right, if you take a wick entry as well, your stops now have to be fucking pretty crazy. 400 ticks or something like that. What's the 1 minute just done? Yeah, chat. 5 minute closed bullish though, which is not ideal. Grrr. Why did the genuine lever soap across the road to get to the other hide? This week and last week have been constant bullshit for me. Yeah. It's crazy time to trade, chat. It's a crazy, crazy time to trade. Yeah, good. 5 could still flip though, chat. Let's wait for some more confirmation. I had 4 trades where either Trump tweets whilst I'm in the trade or something in the market breaks. Yeah, it's crazy, right? You've got like trader bait going down, trade locker going down, brokers halting trading. It's like a fucking war zone out here right now, chat. Literally like a fucking war zone.
It's very possible that we push down here, though. I can't tell you, chat, like the number of trades I've had this month that have hit break even or stop loss and then ran to TP immediately. I'm still in profit for the month, but like it's been a good few trades where it's just like absolutely rascalling me. Rip new bro, if people are starting to trade in this market, then yeah, holy shit. I don't know what to say. What did we even see on that trade? I think I saw like $100 max. I think my entry was like here. Yeah, I think we saw like 120 or something like that. Oh, chat. Comics open in 10 minutes. Maybe it's many blown accounts this week. Many blown accounts, and then some people will have made a fortune, right? We're looking at the same chart. Uh-oh. He got you, Danny, he got you. I reckon, chat, for today, I'll trade... Are you in this? No. I reckon there's another Joshua in chat. Holy shit, how many do we have? Last 2 days, the most I've gone is 1 micro. Yeah. It's ridiculous. Like... 1 micro stops is now like 1%. Fucked. I reckon my nah, no way you made a flapjack. That's ridiculous. Bro's unemployed and now started baking. I'd love a flapjack right now. Cat, my girl's not home. She went to feed some, like, no, she went to some stray dog shelter to like help out there or something. But I have no food now because I'm not cooking. Fuck that. So I have to wait till she gets back and then we can eat. Took a little 80 pip win, but holy shit, 80 pips feels like 10 pips. Yeah, chat, that's what I was saying yesterday, right? We took a 300 pip dub and it was like... That was in low volume during Asian. You know what, I actually got my first payout after 2 years on and off, but it was 1,200 on a 25k. Requested it Monday 1:30, got it 10:30. Nice, bro, congrats. That's huge. Such a W. What's this 5 minute doing? I suppose bearish, to be fair. I have a 10k FX devour where I lost $500 on the course of 2 weeks and made 280 back yesterday after the dump. Bro, some people made some crazy money. I was at the gym whilst it was dumping yesterday, 2 days ago, and then asleep last night. That being said, I wouldn't have traded it. I mean, maybe like this breakout here or something, but no, probably not. Flapjack in Discord general. Oh, that looks nummies, you know. I love a good flapjack. Next Asian session is going to be generational. Yeah, should I stream Market Open? I feel like I should. Market Open Sunday night. I feel like it's going to be a great stream. Should I order some food, chat? Wait, let me go get my phone. One sec.
Oh my days. Don't get caught short in the Jewish fake out. Maybe. I'm very interested to see how the 4-hour closes. I'm about to get my first payout after 5 or 4 months of trading. W, congratulations. I can imagine some rich motherfuckers be buying this dip. I don't know, bro. Caught the short this morning on a close below Asia, up 7k across 6 accounts. Doubt I'll even trade 7k times 6 or 7k across 6. Either way, congrats. Bro, I took a buy, was meant to open 0.5 lot on Forex. I took a 5 lot buy instead. Are you in profit? Because holy shit, if so, 5 lots in this market, I'm surprised you can even open it. 5 lots in this market is literally, like, if you took 5 lots from here to here, that's like 25k, no? From the low, got holy shit money? Yeah, I bet. I think I had to buy all the way to 5k on gold from like 4,700. That's huge, congrats. Across, bro, thank you. Yeah, good shit, man. Could you tell February to be somewhat decent? Yeah, I mean, last year, I reckon March will be good. Normally when Q1's shit, January and February shit, and then March is good for my birthday, because the market makers know, they're like, oh shit, it's SG's birthday, let's just be nice to him. Chat, we might be able to grab a nice little short position as we break the low here. Raja Bank shorted for 1.2 million on a 69 lot. Oh, on his own broker. Oh, on his own broker where the losses go back into his pocket. That's sick. That's sick, actually. Wait, so no matter what, whether he wins or loses, it doesn't make a difference? Cold. And even better if he does lose. Oh, even better if he does lose, the people that copy trade from his stream trade it on his broker on a B-book, and then the money goes back into his fucking bank. That's pretty ethical, actually. Pretty ethical. Fucking hell. What are the habits that made you profitable? Not believing people like him. No, bro, just taking shit slowly, it was the main thing, right? I have a tendency, I'm a very impulsive person, just by my personality, right? Like, for example, the move to Cyprus took me a month from thinking about doing it to being in Cyprus was a month. Buying my SVR was 1 week. I saw some guy, my car dealer, messaged me, said, I've got an SVR, do you want it? I went and saw it once and then I bought it. Every single thing that I do is super fucking, super short. Like, if I want it, I see it, I get it. That's basically it. So with trading, I had the same mindset and I was just like, right, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this. And I tried to rush everything, tried to make everything happen quickly, and then just got cooked. So you can't do that, right? That's the main thing. Just take shit slowly. Understand that if you take stuff slowly, that is what's gonna actually make you the most money. Oh, we have PPI as well in 14 minutes. All right, chat. Let's be smart here. Does PPI even move the market? Not really, right? Chat, I'm so hungry, man. I'm so hungry. You guys only wait, what? Do you guys sorry, I'm actually mentally retarded right now. I keep just forgetting what I'm talking about like halfway through. Do you guys only trade gold? No, I trade NQ as well. And yeah, gold and NQ. One trade. Oh, I'm the same. It's fucked me for so long now. I'm one trade a day, and when I see green above daily profit target for payout, I just take it. Yeah, low key, that trade I had earlier would have been my daily win, and I didn't close them, and then came back and hit stops. But I've actually been working on holding trades longer, so I don't really care. If this breaks the low, it should drop down. Just want to get more payouts under my belt, and then I can start holding. This is so true, chat. This is, I dropped a video on Instagram the other day about this, right? Because two of my one-on-one students have just taken like $300 or like $200 payouts, and like most people would be just like, what the fuck's the point? Why should I take that? That first payout or the first couple of payouts you get will change your trading career literally forever, right? You gotta like, first of all, you gotta realize it's possible. There's nothing better. My first payout was probably, I'm pretty sure my first payout was like $270. There's nothing better than seeing that money go from on the charts to hitting your bank. Because before you get that first payout, you have no concept of money, right? None of this shit is real to you. None of this shit exists. It's all just like dollar value on a screen. Then when it hits your bank, you're like, oh my God, that means you can be more disciplined. It means you can actually like, you know, appreciate the money in your trading account more and not full port and blow it away. And also, it gets you in the habit of taking payouts and making money, right? And it's just like something that starts the momentum, gets the ball rolling. So I really advise people to take that first payout as soon as possible. It's about getting paid, not top ticking hitting massive RR. Facts. Why do you think it takes some people years to understand this stuff? I think it's very easy to understand stuff and put it into action. I've never FOMO'd or anything. Well, you're definitely an outlier then. Like, you're someone who's not normal, but it's very rare that people never FOMO or anything like that. Comics open right now, yeah. Because, bro, people do understand it. It's like, it's not that people don't understand it. It's that they understand it, but their emotions override that. So the more logical you are as a person, the better. Free value right there if anyone understands what you're talking about. It's always free value, man. Chat, I've put 150 euros of petrol into my SVR this week. Are we actually taking the piss right now? 150 euros in 1 week on petrol. Sick. Sick. Well, that shit, I honestly think it's just spoon-fed to us to keep us broke. Yeah, I agree. How much have you lost before becoming profitable? Like 20 grand? Chat, put it this way, right? People talk about like, is it worth it for trading? I lost around 20 grand in challenge fees, live account deposits before I became profitable. And in November last year, I made 30K. So in 1 month alone, I made back everything that I'd lost and more. Obviously, then you got to imagine that whole of last year, this year, etc. It's definitely 100% worth it. Will you do it often? Yeah, I might do it. I'm genuinely thinking about switching to Asian session only. Maybe next week I'll just try it out. This is why when you lose money and lose accounts, you learn and become more disciplined, more numb to feelings. Yeah. Chat, maybe I'll stream like New York session in the Discord, in the private group, and then Asian session every now and again at night. This is why when you lose money and lose accounts, you learn and become more disciplined, more numb to feelings. Facts. I've been trading for the last 3 weeks with a negative RR. I've not had a losing day. I said this from day one. I've been the biggest proponent of negative RR for like ages. It's so goated. It's so goated. But then again, like you have to change models for certain things. So on prop firms, I trade positive RR. But like on evals, on PAs, I'll probably trade negative, yeah. Just
Stream Asia for sure Sundays? Yeah, low key. But then I'm not streaming New York Monday, because fuck that. Look at this shit, my cat. We had a little fight earlier, like a play fight. You can't see it, but fucking ripped my hand to pieces. Stupid bitch. No, I'm joking, she's so cute. Depends on trading style? Yeah, it does. Chat, we broke the lows here. This should pop down right now. Just not giving us any wicks. If you don't get cat aids. I don't think I'm gonna get cat aids. My cat's low-key goated, honestly. That is a thing. I tear that shit up too. I did get like a 3 RI yesterday and the day before that. Nice, W. Chat, we're ripping. Break. You know it hit our stops like here, right? Just maybe could have put it above the level. Put the cells on the 30 flip. Nice, congrats. Hack for trading, don't use the stop loss, trust me. I'll miss Powell. Maybe we'll get good market conditions now, chat. Wait, let me do a quick silver analysis, because this looks alright right now. What's car insurance like in Cyprus? On my old Range Rover, it was 600 euros a year. Hang on. Chat, this looks really nice on silver right now. Problem is, you have like a minor level here. How much would this be? One micro is $5,000 risk. Are we actually taking the piss? Yeah, that is definitely micros. 100% is micros. Silver micros. Holy shit, chat, that would have been TP hit. On gold. Fuck! No, I'm joking. What's car insurance like in Cyprus? So, for my old Range Rover, I paid 600 euros a year, which is cheap as anything, right, for a Range Rover Sport. Now for my new Range Rover Sport SVR, which is 5-litre V8 supercharged, I pay 3,000 a year. 3,000 euros, not pounds. Which I think is so cheap. For like a supercar, essentially. Like 600 horsepower, 100,000 euro car. For 3 grand. Pennies yeah, there's no way I would get insured on an SVR in the UK. Like, even on a regular Range Rover Sport, I don't think I would have got insured. I think I looked when I bought the Range Rover here, the first one I had. I think it was 10 grand in the UK. What is that? Yeah, chat, that would have been TP hit account passed as well. 50 points in 6 minutes. Cold. Now we need to see it close below here if we're going to get anything. I would rather see it push back up though. Made 493 on 1 micro. It's insane. Insane. By the way, chat, I'm thinking about opening up some more slots for the mentorship program in the coming few weeks because we've got 3 students that have become like massively profitable now, or I've got. So they're gonna need less of my time, right? So that means I have more time to take on a couple more students. So if you are interested, the link is in chat right now. Alright, cool. At what point did you start scaling accounts? When I first started getting, you know, payouts, really. There wasn't really a point. I just have always wanted as much funding as possible, right? It just made the most sense to me. Can you explain the consistency rule from Top Step for me? I mean, there isn't one on the PA. On evals, you just have to, the maximum you can make is 1,500. You just have to have less than 50% consistency. So for Top Step, I think the best way to do it is 3 trades of $1,000 personally. $1,000, $1,000, $1,000. Makes the most sense. Alright, cool. Chat, 30-minute closing here. Close bearish. Problem is right at the level. I would love to take these sells on silver. I think they look really, really nice. But unfortunately, the margin is just not there. You can't even trade a micro. You know how insane that is, chat? Like, what are you meant to do at that point? Playing out as well, it's kind of crazy. Actually, low-key insane, chat. Enter shorts on copper instead? No, I don't trade copper. I can't just randomly like magic in a new fucking pair to a new instrument to trade. 295. Wait, 950. Sorry, on a Tradeify eval on PPI. Oh shit, that was PPI. I didn't even know it. I forgot about it, to be truly honest. So that was PPI that came out 2 minutes ago, right? So it did literally fuck all. Like literally nothing. Yeah, very interesting chat. Very, very interesting.
Thank you, pushing back up. Not much we can do here, chat. Every candle moving like noose, so it makes sense. I know, yeah, this is true. Silver's popping back up a little bit. I think you hit 50% on 15 minute. I just need a good setup. My first eval has survived 3 weeks now without blowing it. Is it good? Of course. Chat, that's how profitability starts, right? First of all, you spend some time trying to pass your challenges, and then you fail them in like a week. Then you go ahead and actually keep it for 2 weeks, then 3 weeks. Then you pass one, then maybe you blow that one that you passed, and then the next one that you pass, you can get like to near a payout. It's all like slow incremental gains, right, chat? It's very important. It's very, very important to understand that. It doesn't happen all at once, chat. Everyone thinks trading happens all at once. Like suddenly you're profitable and you make 10K on an eval. You have to take your time with it. Chat, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Yeah? Alright, chat. Who's been using the insurance site? Yeah, chat, who's been using it? What do you guys think of it? Give me some feedback. What happens if you go over by $500? Nothing really. You just have to trade them more and get more money. We're pushing up here, chat. Honestly, I don't even know what that is. I've just been using my stuff since I can code. Insurance site is the journal site that we just dropped like last week. Chat, by the way, we're at 1.2k users. How insane. In like 1 week. 1,200 users. Pretty mental if you think about it. Like a phone app? Yeah, low key we will do. It's in the works. Well, not in the works, but it's in the plan. But not for right now. What's good, Kick? How's it going, man? Chat, 5 minute flipped here on silver. And on gold, I presume. Oh, it's flipping. Yeah, interesting, chat. Interesting. Unfortunately, there's just nothing I can trade here. Maybe we can see how either the 15 or the hourly closes. I think that's going to have to be the plan here, if I'm honest. But there's no real option other than that, to be honest. Otherwise, we might just call it a week, chat. It's been a long week. It's been a good week. It's been a crazy week, to be truly honest. I said to you 4800 was coming yesterday. Yeah, you did. You did. It hasn't tapped it yet, though. So maybe you're not right. Nah, if you are, then fair. Bro came from the future. It's mad interesting to me. 30-minute reflipped on gold. Each 1 minute candle is more than 100 pips. It's madness. It's insane. Clearly people loving the app. So true. Honestly, pretty nice. Yeah, it's super nice, bro. 7,500 by the end of the year. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I don't see gold going down long term. But I've been saying this for ages, right? It needs a retracement, which is true, right? It did need a retracement, but is this the retracement or is there more? We're starting to make some bullish structure on the 1 minute. Chat, we have 5 minutes here to the, 5 minutes to the 15 close. Thirty seconds to the 5 close. It does look like it wants to close bearish though. So maybe it continues downwards, chat. Who knows? Not me. Well, gold's more likely to go to 7,500 than it is to go to 4,300 in my opinion. Like, people love to try and be perma bears, right? But if you just zoom out on gold, it will continue to go up. Like, it's not just going to suddenly erase like hundreds of years worth of history. Maybe there's more retracement, I agree, but this is not the start of some like global, oh my god, gold's now worth nothing, like conspiracy thing. Three 5-minute dojis in a row on silver. And on gold kind of as well. He's got 31R. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive, I'll give it to you. It's actually insane, right? Like, I don't even know how you trade this. We genuinely might have to call it a week. We actually might have to call it a week. Which I wouldn't mind. But I would just rather us get like a nice little cheeky position to end off the week and then be good, you know? I don't call the cheese, everyone eats the cheese. Gold has become like altcoins now. Transactions involving gold and silver via blockchain have caused problems. What? So Mr. T-Mac, he didn't catch it, bro. He was in the buyers with us, but he did call it, yeah. The entry trades with like 400 lots. 400 lots is actually ridiculous. We're getting a bit of volume here, chat, as well. Little bit of volume. What an interesting time to be alive though, chat. At least that's something to be grateful for. What a crazy interesting time to be alive. I genuinely don't know if I've ever experienced a trading period like this. Like ever, ever, ever. What's good, Geordie? How's it going, man? Just called Larry Fink and told him to sell. Fire. That'll be good then.
Chilling, are you? Any position? Nah, not yet, not yet, not yet. Everything's like frozen here now, chat. 15, like the 5 minute on silver's going weird. 15 on gold's pushing back up. It seems as if we're frozen, but the volume's still crazy, right? It's still up from Asia. What do you mean, like money-wise? Yeah. I haven't taken a trade on those accounts. Actually, no, we took that one from earlier, so no, technically not. $385 ticks. Is gold going to zero? Definitely. Pretty soon it won't be worth literally anything at all. You won't even be able to trade it. I'm of course joking. I make a cheeky joke. My target for today for silver is 94. Yeah, I think that's possible. I think that's very possible. $15 just closed as well, chat. Bearish. Bullish on gold. Bullish on NQ as well. We are ripping down right now, chat. For me, it's absolutely untradeable though. Did you have any low point in your trading where you're blowing account after account and your mind was cooked? Yeah, of course. But chat, remember I used to trade on live accounts only, right? So, well not only, but mostly. So think about that, like, how much money on a live account I was wasting. It's like a stupid amount.
Order filled.
What? What limit do I have still open? Hello? Nah, that's sick. I had a gold limit open. Alright, let me close that shit. Classic. What just got filled? I think it was the TP from earlier. Like, it's the sell limit from earlier. But I had it on my top step account too. I mean, I closed it BE, but holy shit. Just came back from 2 property viewings. Big things coming soon. Congrats. You think you would make money for these idiots so easily and quickly? What? Just think about, wait, sorry, I didn't read the first one. Just think about it for a moment. Even if you ask someone with low intelligence who has nothing to do with trading, what they would invest in, they would say gold. If you're a market maker, do you think you would make money for these idiots so easily and quickly? It's not that simple, bro, because who do you think the largest, it's not about like the retail. Who do you think the largest holder of gold is? It's companies and countries, right? Specifically countries. So, no, it's not that simple, because every single dollar that a retail investor loses on gold, companies are losing countries are losing billions. So it's not that simple. Because that's like saying, oh, like, why does any stock ever go up? Because people buy stock. People buy Apple stock, right? Why would Apple ever go up? Yeah, retail has such a small participation in the market as well. It literally makes no sense. Like why would they ever just? It doesn't make any sense. Apple is a thing. What's that even mean? Gold is a useless metal. Gold is the most heavily traded commodity on the planet. It's also in every single fucking electrical item that you use. Like, it's insane to say. This might just be rage bait, to be fair. Bro might just actually be rage baiting. Silver is ripping it down right now, chat. When people base their whole currency on gold and it's useless, I mean, to be fair, currency is not really based on it, but even military missiles contain silver and they just blow up. Chips that go in all electronics are made from copper, silver, gold, exactly. And also, stuff doesn't need to have value to be valuable, right? It doesn't need to have intrinsic value. What value does the fucking Mona Lisa have? What do people use the Mona Lisa for? Nothing, right? But it's priceless. What value do people have with, you know, any piece of art or any item in the world other than that they value it? Value is like intrinsically defined by whether or not people want it, right? People want gold quite clearly. Come on, bro, type back, man. I was enjoying that debate. Don't just shy away now. You have to present your argument, and then I present my argument, and then we go backwards and forwards. That's how it works. Chat, Silver is literally fucking jizzing his pants right now. Low-key, chat, if the hourly closes below here on gold, this does look quite good for some sales. I will admit. 49.20 will hit today. Remember me, I'm going to the gym. Have a good day. You too. Can't remember a day in the last 3 years, but no, I don't think gold's ever done this in history. Ever, ever, ever. Let's see, chat. 8 minutes. I'll be back in a sec. Oh my golly, chat. DeepSeek told me to put the flapjack in the fridge for 2 hours, but I just checked and it's already delicious. Low-key, a flapjack would be so good, but they're so bad for you. Chat, can we please just get a nice little closure below, please? A nice little closure below. Low-key, I think what I'm gonna do is when I've got rid of all of these evals and passed them all, I'm gonna get have I missed anything? Been for a Trimmy Bullard? That is an unbelievable unbelievable fucking whatever. Trimmy Bullard. Jimmy Bullard's goated though. A big treat today was porridge with honey. Oh, that is a big treat. My uni market sells a flapjack for 99p and it has 600 calories in it. Yeah, at the gym when I was bulking, they used to sell this flapjack and it had like 500 calories in, and then I would eat that with a. They also had a protein shake that had 80 grams of protein and 600 calories, and that would be my bulking meal. That's how I got to like 100 kg. Oh, not bulking meal. That would be my pre-gym meal.
Not gonna lie, it's fucking horrible to train on. 6 minutes, chat. This could be clean. Final trade of the week. Just the world's biggest stop loss. Chat, are we actually taking the piss now? The valid stops is 1,000 fucking ticks. 100 kg, wow, how tall are you? 6'3". I'm not 100 kg currently though, no way. I'm like 89 currently. I've been cutting down. Bigger than me, I'm 6'2". We're probably the same height then. 99 or 80, wait, 99 or 98? Yeah, fair. Well, then you're bigger than me, bro, because I'm not 100 currently. He means 5'3"? Chat, I'm 5'10", 2 different measurements. 1 hour looks amazing if we close below, but these stops, we're gonna have to look at lower time frame stops, maybe the 30-minute, or if we get a top wick, we can look at something like that. Or current candle. Holy shit, chat. Apparently broker sync is ready for sure insight. That's crazy. 5-minute close respecting or no? Oh, okay, cool. Chat, the problem is if this runs before the close, we are absolutely monumentally cooked. Silver stop is BE at the top of the little cluster of 5-minute pins. Nice. That should be clear. That should be clear. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, can we, chat, if we don't close below on this candle, I'm calling it a week. I'm calling it a week, man. Because I'm not going to try to force this shit. Use a copy trader? I've been using TradeSync on myself. Nah, so I don't, but I'm going to use TradeSync on my next run of fundeds, yeah. You did well pre-Asia with the buy? It was a clean trade, yeah. TP was literally right at the top as well. One account we stayed in there and got hit BE. You in sales? No, I will be if this candle can close below. Chat, close, simple close below here, top wick first. Bish bash bosh. Maybe we could even get like, I don't know, a retest into, where can we look for a retest into? 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute. Oh, if you came and take this, chat, if you come up and grab this no top wick here, could be nice. After the close, obviously. Also, you got like a 5-minute guide on it though. Oh! Let's see, chat. Focus up here. Currently copy trading 3 different props, 6 accounts. Yeah, nice. That's the way to do it, to be honest. I don't like copy trading evals though. But I do have 650k in funding currently. No, 450k, sorry, in funding currently. So I do need to get a copy here. Two minutes. Oh! Oh shit, chat, my cam went off. What the fuck? Not the overheating camera again. What, the LGBT cam? We're back. We are back. Can we please have a closure below here, chat? It's also a 5-minute sky dweller, so maybe if it flips, we could take the 5 stops for only 150 ticks. Government shutdown tomorrow? What? What? Chat, we're rejecting, man. This might actually be the top wick before the close. Silver closing below though. Problem is you've tapped into some key areas. Thank you. Also closing below. I don't like it as much. I don't think this is even tradable on silver, right? No, not even slightly tradable, chat. Watch this now pop down. Watch. Chat, I'm done for the week. I'm done for the week. We made our money. Made 10 mil. It's time to go ahead and call it a week. I'm not playing GeoGuessr. I need to go get some food. I'm so hungry. And every single time we played GeoGuessr recently, I can't play. So, W Discipline chat, W streams. Join the free Discord if you're not in it already. That's where I give you updates. Maybe I'll stream Asia on Sunday. Maybe I won't. You know, it's where all of the updates are going to be. If you, yeah, W streaming last night and today. Thank you guys. I see chat, some appreciation there. It's rare nowadays. It's rare. I've done 3 streams in the last 24 hours. Chat, if you guys do want to grab an account whilst the Tradeify sale still lasts, it lasts until tonight, I think. So you've got 30% off on Tradeify. And yeah, other than that, chat, peace out, much love. $10 million. Bye-bye.